I don't do much barbed wire fencing, but I've got a project going on with a friend where we need to unroll some. So I'm going to put together a real simple barbed wire unroller for the side-by-side or the truck, either one, to try to make the project a little easier. And all this is just scrap stuff I had laying around. I'm going to see if I can build it in an hour or so. So here we go. This is just a gusset because my pipe that's going to be go in the receiver hitch is fairly thin-walled. I'm just self-taught, so don't pick at me too much. My piece of square tubing is bent, so I'm just going to eyeball what straight up and down is on this versus a square. For what we're doing, it'll be just fine. I'm just going to put these little gussets in there because that's not welded to the base real well. I think that'll work to hold a piece of barbed wire. Now I've just got an old disc blade that the center's broke out of. And it's going to be my platform that everything spins on. See if I can just eyeball it centered up. I hope if the barbed wire comes off the spool when it's spinning, the curve will help it from getting tangled up as much. You can definitely tell that's high carbon steel. There's a bunch of different kinds of barbed wire spools, but this is just the scrap I had. I hope it'll just unspin like that with it sticking in the receiver hitch. I don't know what kind of barbed wire my friend's got, so we may have to change something for it, but we'll see. Now I just need a hole for my receiver hitch pin. I'd say about 3 inches is right. I've got where I like these Silver Mine distribution pencils better than soapstone. Then it needs to be in the middle. Right on the money.